Hi, I'm Challie, and here's God's message for you, for us, and it's all about your power source. It came from today's verse. I am the vine, you are the branches. Those who abide in me and in them bear much fruit, because apart from me you can do nothing. That's from John chapter 15, verse 5. Do you ever wonder why it's so important to have time for prayer and devotion? Does it ever get a little tedious? Sometimes I feel that I don't do it religiously enough. It's like if I don't read a certain number of pages in my Bible every day, I'm slipping spiritually. But I don't think that's really the point. As I plug in my computer to write this, I had an idea. Maybe the point of a regular devotion time is to plug into our power source. We need to be re-energized, encouraged, uplifted, and empowered by God to make it through this life and to be effective in doing His will. If we don't get recharged, we'll dry up spiritually. Connect with God. Not because you think you have to, but to gain the powerful connection and graces you need. I want to offer a prayer for you, for us. Dear Lord, you are the vine we need to grow from, and the power we need to draw from. Help us to find a way to effectively connect with you. We love you and want to do the very best we can in serving you. Amen.